Are you diving into the exciting world of side hustles, earning some extra cash, and wondering how to handle tax season? Knowing which tax forms apply to your side income can feel like navigating a maze, but it is much simpler than you might think. The right tax forms for your side income primarily depend on how your business is legally structured and how much you earn. For most individual side hustlers, you will likely need to report your earnings using Schedule C, profit or loss from business, which is part of your personal Form 1040 income tax return. This requirement comes directly from the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, which considers income from side hustles, consulting, or freelance work as self-employment income. The IRS wants a clear picture of your business's revenue and expenses to determine your net profit, which is then subject to both income tax and self-employment taxes. Self-employment taxes cover your contributions to Social Security and Medicare, similar to how an employer would withhold these from a regular paycheck. To figure out your specific forms, start by tracking all your income and expenses meticulously. If you are operating as a sole proprietor or independent contractor, which most side hustlers are, Schedule C is your main form. You will list your total gross receipts on it and then deduct all eligible business expenses, which reduces your taxable income. For example, if you are a freelance writer, your expenses might include internet service, software subscriptions, or home office deductions. If your side hustle pays you more than $600 from a single client in a calendar year, you will likely receive Form 1099 NEC, non-employee compensation, from that client. This form simply tells both you and the IRS how much they paid you. Keep these forms, but remember that even if you do not receive a 1099 NEC, you are still required to report all your income. It is also wise to set aside money for taxes throughout the year, especially if you expect to owe more than $1,000, as you might need to make estimated tax payments using Form 1040-S. Understanding these forms early means you can confidently manage your finances, maximize your deductions, and avoid any surprises come tax time. By diligently tracking your income and expenses and using the correct forms, you are not just complying with tax law. You are also gaining valuable insight into the profitability and health of your side venture, empowering you to make smart financial decisions for continued growth and success.